Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can mask objects, videos on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to add this video and I'm going to add in another video on top of that. Whereas this person is playing a game, I know it's still a PC game, but go to mask and select circle. And you can place this person here, like their cam maybe, and then you can add in a background underneath. Freeze frame that real quick. And you can again mask that into a circle. To create a shadow, you can also feather it out. Let me just make it a little bit smaller. You can feather it out to create this kind of shadow. You can also invert your masks as well. So let me just use this for an example. So go to mask and select the shape that you want. Then to reverse it, you're just going to select reverse. And again, you can feather it out. You can mask things twice. So I'll just right click, create compound clip. And you can add another mask, for instance, here. And that is pretty much how you can mask objects on CapCut. If you want to mask text, you can also do that, but you have to make them into a compound clip first, or else it's not going to work here. Mask, mirror one maybe. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.